Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the site and taking immediate first steps. Audit your top-performing posts and identify 1-3 pages worth promoting, because quality targets attract stronger backlinks. Once done, create linkable assets like a comprehensive guide or original listicle, and make sure Search Console and a clean sitemap are active so links index fast. Then compile a short outreach list of relevant niche blogs and start a simple personalized email template. This starts the process without delay. Now scale the work with repeatable tactics. Pitch 10-20 sites for guest posts or ask to be added to resource pages, explaining why your piece helps their readers. Simultaneously run broken link hunts, find dead links on authority pages, craft a replacement suggestion, and send a concise outreach message. Make sure to vary anchor text, brand, exact match, and natural phrases because diversity reduces risk. Once done, seed links across forums and social profiles to create initial traction for indexing. Finish by monitoring and tightening the system. Check incoming links weekly via Search Console or a backlink tool, and record which links bring traffic or authority. If you spot low quality or spammy links, prepare a disavow file and remove obvious problems. Make sure to follow up outreach after 7 to 10 days and diversify tactics if results lag. If new links don't move metrics, improve on-page value and user experience. That single troubleshooting step often unlocks stalled link benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.